Hi, it's Frederick, Simple System Trading. Video today on getting set up with the Discord auto posting study. On Discord, you should have your own server running. You can add a server with the button right there. And in your Discord server, you have certain channels. And for each channel, you can add a webhook. The webhook can be used to send messages, and you can copy that, right? With that webhook, you can use that inside the Discord auto posting study, right? There's a second input there. You paste the webhook URL. You're going to get that license key real quick. Got my license key right here and paste it right there, right? If you do that, you will, if you didn't already do it, you will get an error because the license key is not yet assigned to a Discord user, right? So this video is about getting that done, because what you need to do is assign your Discord username to this study, and there's a few other options as well if you want to manage access to your channel. So to do that, we're going to the profile page here. On the license activation tab, if you activated the Discord auto posting study license, you can click that link right here and you will join a page. This page is twofold. First is to assign a Discord user to your license. You click that button right there and it will give you a window here to verify your Discord username. This little bot will only get your username and your avatar, nothing else. But this way we only use verified Discord users on the study. Right? Your avatar will be visible here. After you lose access to the study, your data will be removed as well. So nothing will really stay on my systems any longer than needed. With this, you can basically start to use the study. So we had that webhook here. So right now we should be able to use that study. We reloaded, Discord check, work now, we're back to normal, right? So now we can start to post to that Discord channel. So let's send a message here, the chart image to your channel. You see here that the chart image is sent in real time to your channel. So that's the basic setup. But if you have a channel or a server where many users can post to this channel, you might want to control access to that channel. And you might not want to give away that webhook URL, because anyone that has that webhook URL can basically use it to post messages on the channel. And they can also delete the existence of that webhook URL. So you only want to give it to people you really trust. So if you have a lot of users, you should use something else that I created, and that's a channel registration, right? It's explained here. Channel registration is activated by two simple steps. First, you need to add a Discord bot to your server. So you will click that button, you add the bot to the server of your choice, and with that you authorize the Discord bot to send messages on your server and to keep check on all the roles on that particular server. So with that done, you authorize that bot, the bot will be on your Discord server, right? It's added. It will send messages right here. The top one is the one that will send messages, and I will show you that in a bit. You can also see it if you go to the server settings on the roles. It will have a own role as well with its auto-generated. On the roles, I created a Discord poster role. You can create any role you want, but I used this one to give access to users inside this role to use the study. Right now it's only me in here. I will remove myself from that role right now, just to start off, right? We go to that channel registration here, and we're gonna need to fill out this form to register a channel. Maybe do a quick name, test channel. We get that webhook URL we already had, so we're just gonna get it from the Discord straight up. Get that webhook URL here and post it right there. You need the server ID. Make sure you are using Discord in developer mode. Click here for instructions. This information icons as well, you can click them for instructions. First, make sure you're in developer mode. In Discord, you can do that. Go here to user settings. You have app settings here, advanced, and developer mode right here on top. You need to be in developer mode to get a right click on your server, copy the server ID, paste that here, and we're gonna copy the role ID as well for the role that you create, where you want to add users to that can use this study. With that, we click on adding the channel. Then on the background, the channel is added, and we get a channel token. Now we can copy that channel token inside this study here. Instead of the webhook URL, we use the channel token. Right? Now remember, I removed myself from that group. So if I click here, it will start doing the checks, and you will see that the Discord user is not a member of the role. So right now we cannot, still not, send anything to Discord. We need to go back to Discord and add myself to that role. So that's being done now. The Discord bot, the channel watcher bot, will send me messages to the channel owner as well as to the channel member, right? I was just added to the role. I can now use channel to start using the Discord study. So I go back to share a chart now, and in this case I will need to refresh the token check here and get ready to use it. All right, we got the token check done. We are good to go, and we can send messages to the Discord channel. Right, you see here we have a image of the chart here. We can change the image to an overlay image here. It's a little bit different image, and that will be sent as well, right? I will go into detail on what you can do with the study later on, but right now we are basically set up on your profile page as well as on Discord to use this study. So right now we have a channel active. You can share this channel token with anyone that you want to be able to use that study to post anything in your Discord channel. But at some point you might say, well, I don't really like that guy anymore. He's spamming, or I kicked him out of my room, and he's not going to be able to use that. I don't want him to use that channel anymore. So you could do two things. You can kick him out of the group here. So that's the simplest way. You just kick him out. And in real time, guy will no longer be able to use the study. You know, you get an immediate message, the study as a listener active, and right now nothing happens when you send. So he's kicked out immediately, right? You can see as well, if I add myself back to that particular role, I will get immediate access back. So right here, so you're back to normal in real time, and I can start posting again. So you see, new screenshot just arrived. So this role-based access control is real time as well, and allows you to manage your channel and keep it clean. So with that, you are good to go. You are set up for using this study. There's a lot of options in there. I recommend you open up the study description. As always, a web page will pop out and it will go through the setup. And there's a lot of variables here you can use inside specific text blocks. And there's options to work with alerts, send automated text to the channel, and do some manual things as well. And the study will also react to your trade activity. Lots of options, but there will be a second video to go through those options. For now, I will close down this video, and I'll see you in the next one.